Okay, so today we're gonna see what's inside of a Flair Ultra vape. This one is pretty dead. These things have a mesh coil. It's just a different type of coil mechanism to heat up the vape juice. It's just I've kind of always wanted to see what was in here. I opened one of these before. They go for about $16 to $18, or you might find like 2 for $30. But then people just toss these in the landfill, and it's just kind of sad. So you pop open the top, and it might fly away like that. The top has just a little hole right there. So inside here we have a piece of silicone. This is the smooth tobacco flavor. It actually doesn't taste like tobacco, it tastes like caramel peanut butter. It's weird. And then the next thing you have here is, it's gonna be this little piece of mesh, and then the wick itself right here. And this is what holds all the e-juice. So that those 2,500 puffs, that's saturated with e-juice. And then down here, you can see is the coil mechanism and what heats up that e-juice in there. So if we pull that out, we have a little piece of wrapped fabric, and that's basically like a wick within the wick. That's gonna wick the juice from the bigger piece into here, and then in the center we'll heat up the e-juice and vape it. Next we have basically the batteries down here, so it's being a little stubborn. Some needle nose would probably be best. So we have a plastic sleeve. Still trying to work on this piece of silicone with the 2 wires. And what's funny, if you blow on this right here, so it's kind of just an air draw switch type thing here. All right, let's get this the heck out of here. So another piece of silicone where the battery was connected. Looks like a piece of cotton. And then we have the battery down there. I mean, let's see if... Okay, so there's your wires to the light. Let's see if it still works. No. All right, now I'm gonna just push the battery out here. And now you have a piece of aluminum. So that can be recycled. This plastic can be recycled. These batteries are pretty big. What is the rating on them? .7 volt at 4.07 watt hours. And yeah, I mean, they could be reused, but so many people are just throwing these out. So that's kind of what's in the Flair Ultra vapes. So if you have these, just hold on to them. Maybe we can start recycling these.